Hello. So here is a continuation of the last editing about our collaborative course called Holidays and Festivals in the USA. I wanted to add the final survey, feedback survey, at the end of the course. So far, my colleagues and we created the main content of the course, which is organized in 3 sections: Independence Day, Columbus Day, Thanksgiving. While I was completing a general overview, actually the overview of the course in the general section before, I added that there will be another section devoted to feedback. So in order not to ruin the organizational text in these 3 pages, these 3 sections, I decided on inserting the new section. Before we had all these sections, but we erased them, believing that they would be not necessary. So before I tried out a couple of steps before I started recording. So at the very beginning there was just this plus sign right after the word Thanksgiving. I clicked on it and I got this topic 4. But I don't like the name topic 4. I want to call it feedback survey. So now I need to go to this edit area and choose edit section, and then I get this. The section here is topic, but I don't know why it doesn't allow me to change anything. Okay, let's go for this, and maybe I will be able to change it later on. First time I tried to do it, there was no this sign. Maybe it will change eventually. Okay. I'm going to ask the participants of the course to do the survey. Please So I completed here the text of this section. I had 8 questions that I would like participants to be able to answer, and now I have to save this. For some reason I still cannot change the section name. Maybe if I get, oh, this is it. I have to click on custom, that means allow me to, and I will write it, call it feedback. Survey. So now I got it, and the only thing here is to save changes. So with this, now we have this last section, which is called feedback survey, and if I want to see how the whole course looks, I have to go to my profile, go to the switch role 2 in order to see it from the point of a student. So I have more options, but I will use this as a student. And so I'm going to the first section here. The participants can have the view of everything. I still have one how to deal with these gaps which in the text, but that will be some other way to change that. Then I can go to Independence Day. Then there are the list of activities. Then I can go to Columbus Day. Again, as activities and links to do. And here is the Thanksgiving Day. More info to get. Here about all this and we see the sources, the links, and then I go to feedback survey. I also have to add, yes, I now realize that I need to add forum, but it will be 5 minutes thing, so this will be all for the moment. And of course I need to go back to return to my normal role if I want to make these changes. So now I have the possibility to edit again and insert the form that I need for this feedback survey. I'll go to add activities, and so let's go to activities to here, this one, and I'm going to write feedback survey and description. Please answer questions available above. So that will be all. And again, yes, I need to click on this display description on course page and return to click on this, save and return to the course. So if I want to check one more time how it looks from the point of view of a student, so I can see here, I can open this discussion window. Here everything is there. I can write the title of my discussion. I have all the features. Even I write something, but in this case I just saw it functions. I'm going to click on cancel. I'm going to go to previous activity. Oh, sorry, wrong move, and go to this arrow. No, again. So, okay, this will be, so here we are at the feedback survey, and that's all for this course. So I hope you will find this recording useful. Thank you for watching.